Did you know the most important day in the life of your roof is the day that it's installed? That's why at Honest Abe Roofing, we developed the executive installation process. It all starts with the underlayment system that we call the Secret Service Storm Shield. It consists of two products. One, a waterproof membrane that is self-healing and sticks to the decking. And two, an unbreakable synthetic product that is installed on the entire roof. Next, did you know your home needs to breathe just like you do? That's why we install a high-flow ventilation system, which keeps your home moisture-free and energy efficient. Proper ventilation helps guarantee that your roof will last forever. Then, we install the roofing material of your choice. Finally, we begin the thorough cleanup of your property, leaving it exactly how we found it, if not better. Schedule your free roofing consultation today. Honest Abe Roofing, the reliable roofer.